In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into your email body using Gmail. This seemingly simple task can make your emails more visually appealing and engaging, whether you're reaching out to a friend or sending a business email. Let's go through the process together. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. You can do this by typing mail.google.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. Once the Gmail interface is loaded, if prompted, log in with your Google account to access your inbox. Now that you are in your Gmail dashboard, look towards the upper left corner, and you'll see a red or white Compose button. Click on this to open a new email draft. This will open a window saying New Message where you'll compose your email. To add an image, look for a small toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. You might have to hover over the bottom of this window to see all the available options. Locate the small icon that looks like a mini picture. It's the Insert Photo icon and resembles a mountain with a sun. Click on this icon to bring up a menu that offers a few choices for inserting your image. In the dialog box that appears, you have the option to upload an image directly from your computer, or you might choose a photo already in your Google Photos library. If you're uploading from your computer, click on the Upload option. This will prompt another window to open where you can navigate to your File Explorer. Search through your files to find the picture you want. Once you've selected it, click Open, and your image will start uploading to the email draft. It might take a few moments depending on the size of the image and your internet speed. When the upload is complete, you'll see the image inserted directly into the body of your email. It's a good time to review how it looks. If you'd like to adjust the size, click on the image and a menu will appear at its base, allowing you to choose between small, best fit, or original size to better suit your email's design. Once the image fits perfectly and you're satisfied with its placement, continue composing your email by adding your subject, recipient, and message content. Before you hit send, it's helpful to preview your email to ensure that everything appears as intended. To do this, simply click the three vertical dots on the right side above the email body. Opt to print, which will open a preview window where you can see how your email looks with the image embedded within. And that's how you successfully embed an image right into the body of your Gmail message. Doing this not only enhances the overall look of your emails, but can also convey messages more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.